What's up, online shoppers? If you are looking to take your artistry to the next level, you've got to check out these Artistro black paint pens. Now these work on just about any surface you can imagine, from rock, glass, wood, stainless steel, plastic, paper, the list goes on, and they can make your art projects next level. This one here is a great pack to order if you are doing a large craft that's going to require a lot of coverage, or if you're working with a lot of groups so that you have one for each group. So let's just take these out of the box here so you can see. So you are going to get 12 of the same pen in this. And the other thing they give you is 2 extra nibs, because sometimes they get broken down through use, and this gives you the option to replace them. The way you activate these pens is to shake, press, and then draw. And I'll show you what I mean. This is the nib right here, and the nib doesn't have any ink in it whatsoever. All the ink has been stored in here. All the paint has been stored in here. So in order to get this to work, you have to shake it, and then you have to put it down and pump it to get the ink to fill inside of the reservoir and change the color of the tip to black. Now the paint or the ink is loaded and you can draw. Let's see what that's going to look like. Now that I have the paint loaded into the marker, I'm going to show you how great this is and how it works. Now this is going to draw glossy and opaque, and it's going to dry glossy and opaque also. What's great about these pens is that they do have a really nice finish. They can be great for adding details. You get a relatively slim line depending on how you hold it. If you hold it like this, you can get a really nice thin line. If you hold it closer to the paper, you can go thicker as well, which is also really cool. What's really unique about these markers is that they have Japanese nib and Italian ink that is water resistant, heat resistant, and flows without jamming or flooding. It will work on just about every surface, and it's going to dry, glossy, and opaque, so you have a gorgeous finished product. You can use these on fabric, you can use them on glass, you can use them to paint your rocks, you can use them on just about any surface you can imagine. They are easy to activate. All you have to do is just shake, pump, and draw. And as I said, you get these extra nibs for just in case 1 or 2 of them break down. They're great for DIY projects, for Christmas, for birthday gifts, to do decorations of any sort. And these Artistro medium tip black ink pens are definitely a family favorite at my house.